Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the WORX electric chainsaw and I'm going to tell you how you can easily prolong and short this chainsaw. So as you can see here, we have some switch. We have to unclick it. We have to use some strength, but of course not with the some extra strength. And as you can see here now, with a little push towards us, we can prolong this chainsaw. As you can see, it works. And yeah, apart from that, we have something here, but it only works when we have this side mounted. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.